Hi and welcome to Career Explorer series. I am the mentor, your go-to man for career advice, curated and co-presented by Uday, a career coach, trainer and consultant.
How to identify whether you have skills that fit your chosen career choice?
The answer for that would be you may need to do a self-assessment. You need to test out whether you have the required skills to help you achieve success in your chosen career choice.
In a nutshell, checking your capacity physically, mentally, and financially.
Of these, financial assessment is the simplest and primary thing. Generally, people consider it first. There is nothing wrong with this. However, you cannot have a plan without knowing the cost involved in your career choice. Otherwise, you may get disappointed or distracted by financial stress while studying for the qualification. You know your and your family's financial position. With this, you can judge and assess whether you can financially support the educational qualification required for your career choice, or you might need any external financial help such as a scholarship or educational loan.
Next, coming to your skills, personality traits, your strength and weakness. We will guide you how you need to self-assess yourself.
List out all your strength and weakness which you feel that will impact your career choice. Every individual is of a different personality type. Try to understand your character, what really motivates you in your life. Some of you may feel comfortable being in a group and initiate talks. Those people will suit a career choice to meet new people like sales, promotion, and marketing jobs. Another way to do this is to consult with a career counselor. He or she may guide you professionally as they have a considerable amount of experience and knowledge in this. They will assess you by a scientific approach, understand your skills and personality traits, and provide you with consultations. This would be a great help considering the risk that you put in for your career. A career counselor can also play the role of mentor, help you set your career goals and motivate you to achieve your career goals successfully.
To summarize this learning, we discussed the importance of career goals and how to choose your career choices. In addition, we understood the role of researching job profiles and the importance of networking contacts. Finally, in this episode, we talked about self-assessments and their significance. As a career counselor and guide, I request you, people, to seek professional help and succeed in a promising career.
Feel free to help others by sharing this podcast with them. Remember, sharing is a way of caring. Your support can change someone's life. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn for more career-related information like this. See you soon in the next exciting episode. Until then, it's Uday and Mentor signing off from you. Bye and take care.